searching for best PGDM colleges, but wondering whether IMM, Institute of Marketing and Management, situated in Qutub institutional area towards South Delhi, is right choice or not. Let's check it in detail. Why IMM? Firstly, it was established in 1965. Alumni base is huge, consists of more than 20,000 individuals, and it offers PGDM program. The program is AICTE approved, AACSB approved. They also have tie-up with Association of University of Asia and Pacific, Association of Management Development Institutions in South Asia, and they have approval from Gurgaon University. Reason to join IMM. Firstly, the summer internship program, also called as SIP, it is of 2 months of duration and it occurs at the end of the second semester. Second is the industry-oriented project that is conducted in the final semester. There are few of the live projects nationally and internationally going on with HCL, Hertz, Geo Digital Life, Mankind, Pantaloons and Pathkind Labs. Curriculum is infused with artificial intelligence and machine learning, and they also have multifunctional corporate immersion program for problem solving in tie-up with IIT Roper. They are providing 13 skill certification by Cladio, and they also have tie-up with European Global for international certifications. Talking about their placement statistics, the average package offered was between 9 to 9.5 LPA. The domestic highest package was of 19.35 LPA and the international highest package was of 21 LPA. The top recruiters are PayU, Upgrade, ProFirst, HDB, Genpact, HomeFirst, Naukri.com, Capgemini, India Infrastructure, PhonePe and many more. They are offering dual specializations in PGDM, and in total they have 7 specializations infused with artificial intelligence and machine learning. They are marketing and innovation management, financial management, human resource management, business analytics and research, international business management, operation management, and lastly entrepreneurship management. They also offers international immersion program, which is the part of the fee. They took their students to London, Dubai and Malaysia. Fee structure, the total fee for the 2 years is 10,80,000 rupees and the 75,000 is the registration fee, which is part of the complete fee. The hostel facilities, the hostels are not within the campus, but for that they have tie-up with hostels outside the campus. The fee range from 1 lakh rupees to 1,50,000 rupees depending on the type of accommodation student is opting for, like single or shared. We hope this video is informative for you and will help you to take the decision. If you are serious about your PGDM journey and want to know more about the college or scholarship or want discount on the application fee up to 50% or completely waive off, need preparation to clear the GDPI round of the college, or need free one-on-one personalized counseling or unbiased college comparison, then visit boostmytalent.com or call us on the given number below on the screen or in the description box.